Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Insider information: iPhone 18 Pro will remain without a new design due to the success of the iPhone 17 Pro. According to the latest preliminary news data, all future Apple iPhone 18 models will retain the iPhone 17 design. Don't expect any changes this year. A new discussion leaked by a well-known tech leaker. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. After the success of the already released flagship lineup, the iPhone 17 series, Apple may not focus on the design changes of the most futuristic flagship smartphones, the iPhone 18 series. New reports claim that all new iPhone 18 models will retain the iPhone 17 design, which means that we should not expect any changes this year. Insider Fixed Focus Digital has again stated that the iPhone 18 Pro will not receive a major redesign compared to its predecessor, citing strong sales of the iPhone 17 Pro models. Back in December 2025, the same source reported that the iPhone 18 Pro would feature fewer visible changes than initially anticipated. Now, on his Weibo page, he's repeated this claim, but added a new explanation. He claims that the iPhone 17 Pro was so successful that Apple decided that too much was too little, and abandoned radical changes to the design of the upcoming model. The main innovation in the iPhone 18 lineup won't be the design or cameras, but the Apple A20 and A20 Pro processors. This is partly confirmed by recent leaks of the device's technical specifications. However, some other sources claim that the iPhone 18 Pro will feature a new Face ID under the display, and will also abandon the two-tone design. However, the same applies to Fixed Focus Digital's claims, as by the time Apple was able to assess the success of the iPhone 17 Pro, the iPhone 18 design had long been finalized, and work on subsequent generations of Apple smartphones was likely even underway. Apple is in no rush to change the design, given the strong sales of the iPhone 17. Instead, the company will focus on hardware. The key innovation will be the A20 and A20 Pro chips, which will be Apple's first 2nm processors. In addition, the new iPhones will get Dynamic Island 2.0, a variable aperture lens, a more refined premium design, a new powerful 2nm chipset, and camera control 2.0. Simpler, smarter, finally useful. The premium iPhone 18 Pro, iPhone 18 Pro Max, and possibly a foldable iPhone are expected to be announced in September 2026, with more affordable models in the lineup expected to arrive in spring 2027. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.